Well, I had a package come for me today. I actually bought it for, as a birthday present to myself. And what it is a few parts that are needed for my Mustang. It's something I probably should have installed when I had my stroker motor put in for the camshafts, because I have the stage 3s on it, the XE270s. But at the time, I did not have the funds due to children. So I got these from American Muscle. So finally got the valve springs for it, for comp cams, and the matching steel retainers. So it's time to rev the living crap out of my engine now. I mean, the stock ones do fine. They're not bad. They'll handle, the lift. Not as bad as, what you should have on the car, which are recommended by comp cams. But I never revved the living heck out of the engine, for long periods of time. But yeah, it's time to rev the living heck out of it and go past 6,500 RPMs here.